Does anybody else have an obsessive washer? She will just wash her face all day. Or her belly. Right, kitty? Crazy girl. You think you're dirty? You're not dirty. You're very clean. You're very clean. I love you. Am I bugging you? I just say you're very clean. Uh-oh. Did I interrupt your mojo? No. Go back to cleaning. Her and them stiff legs. I'm sorry. I love you. I love you, kitty. I'm just watching you clean. You know I'm up to something, huh? So what you up to, Mom? What? Hold up. Got a scratch right there? Got the longest whiskers of any cat I've ever seen. Got some long whiskers. Uh-oh. Squirrel. Look at them whiskers sticking out of her. You're funny. Squirrel. There you go. Back to cleaning. All right. Look at that leg. What are you doing? You're funny. You're funny. Huh? We hear. You don't hear nothing. All right. I love you, kitty.